Hey everyone, it's September! This year is going by so quickly, and things are starting to really ramp up in the email world. Today, let's talk about Labor Day, the fall season, and a tip of the month, which is focused on how you can use customer reviews in your messages. Let's go ahead and get started. Up first, Labor Day. It is coming up real fast. It's the first weekend in September. Labor Day is a straightforward promotion and is very popular in the US. Much like Memorial Day is the start of summer, Labor Day is the end of summer. These messages are typically really straightforward and often invoke some American patriotism, though they certainly do not have to. Look at this message from BioLite. What I love about this message is that they have a very simple and easy to read layout. They are also using their product in the main image, and they've tied the whole thing together with Labor Day because a lot of people choose to go camping for the long weekend. Up next, here's an example from ModCloth. Now this one's a little bit more straightforward. It's very eye-catching because of the color palette, and they have a big discount. They wanted to get their point across very clearly and concisely. Most of the time, Labor Day messages are just like this. They're very straightforward, and it's a promotion all weekend long. Big brands and stores rely on heavy discounts, though that's not entirely necessary for your promotion to work. Even something like free shipping or a percentage off a minimum purchase could be effective. And definitely don't discount if it doesn't feel right for your brand. If you are in a rush or just want to treat yourself to some nice imagery, then go take a look at our template store. We just released some new Labor Day and end of summer sale templates that you can use right away. Up next, we've got falling into fall. That's not a real term, but this season is no joke and can mean some real serious sales for your Shopify store. First up are some great examples of fall fashion messages. With the temperatures still pretty warm, that doesn't mean that consumers aren't looking to get ready for colder ones. What I love about each of these examples is that they have a very foolproof and beautiful layout, and they're on trend. They also show you how you could wear the clothes. This is a great time for style guide messages. The next one up here is from East Ciders. I think they've got a very fun color pattern and some really interesting sections that you could learn from. At the top, we've got fall favorites. This is a classic phrase and you can use it during the season. Later in the message, they do a cross-sell over to another fall-related product. They also even put in a recipe. Now, no one can buy this recipe for them. That's not the point. The point of the recipe is to engage with the audience. Do something friendly, not strictly just to make a sale. Nice job, East Ciders. Finally, don't feel too pressured to pop in pumpkins or leaves all over the place if that doesn't match your brand. Look at this home goods company, Hay. Their angle follows the change in season in a fresh way. Let's take a look at this copy. Up first, we've got the headline. It reads, "A New Perspective." The copy is, "Rethink the way you live, work, and relax at home this autumn. Explore new arrivals for the way we live now." It's simple, clear, and effective. Consider using a less is more approach to get your point across. Of course, we've got some new fall goodies in the template store as well, so you can go take a peek at those if you want to. All right, folks, it's time for the tip of the month. You can use this tip right away to improve your email marketing. Use customer quotes within your email marketing. Great customer quotes are able to resonate with subscribers in a whole new way. They often soothe worries and reinforce the value of your product. Let's look at some examples. In this example from Nick & Co., they put the customer review next to the product in the hero image. Then they feature 4 different types of products below. They reinforce that this product is loved by customers by calling it a best-selling pant. In this next example from Byte, they have chosen to have quotes from popular publications like Cosmo and customer quotes. I think this was smart of them because they are selling a new type of toothpaste, and there may be a bit of a trust complex with people. By reinforcing that so many publications and customers love their product, they're helping people overcome that hesitation, ultimately tempting them to click and convert. Many of you already understand the value of reviews and are probably using a review collection app. You can also ask for reviews in your post-purchase messages. You could solicit them on social media, or just go straight to your customer support team and see if they have any great quotes. Once you have a quote you want to feature, you can place it within your message a few different ways. First, obviously, like Nick & Co., you can always create an image in something like Canva and then just add the quote in, and it's just an image like anything else. You could also utilize the image with text overlay section in Seguno. Simply choose your image. For this, I took out the heading, then copy and paste in your quote. I like to italicize the text and give them quotation marks. I also like to attribute to the quote to a person to make it look more authentic. Alternatively, if you wanted to, you could use the signature section for this as well. Just make sure that you use a handwriting style that is clear to read. I chose print with casual. Finally, there's my favorite way of doing this, and that's because it's the most straightforward. It's using the testimonial section. You can put in your rating, you can use a title or not. If I plan on using this as more of a secondary section, I may choose to keep the stars, but then remove the title and author. Then I copy and paste my quote. I can also change the color of the background, rating, and text. It's completely customizable to the rest of my message, which looks great. That is how you can put a customer quote into your message. As a side note, you can also put star ratings along with your products and featured products. Seguno integrates with Judge.me, Shopify Reviews, Stamped, and Yotpo. Go to the Seguno dashboard and then connections to look at all of these. Okay, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe. If you have any feedback or questions, feel free to put them below. I read them, I respond to them, and they can affect what you see next month. Bye.